let us talk about something that is very, very important. As women, you see, all these things that I come to present here, I know where I am coming from and I have a target of where I want to be. I'm not there yet, but I have a target. As a woman who has been called to bar, I have not been practicing, not because anybody said I should not practice, but now that I have decided to practice after many years, it is actually a whole lot of struggle, especially for a woman who you are not working, you are not going out to do any business and all that. So it is quite a struggle. Now, I hear a lot of people, or I see a lot of posts on social media that will teach women to stand up for themselves, that teach women to be independent, that teach women how to treat men. My dear, most of these people come as feminists, but when you look deep down into their teachings, they are not feminists. I am telling you for free. They are not feminists. A lot of people do not know the history behind this feminism. The way people of old have conceptualized this feminism movement. They don't know. This present generation think that feminism is to usurp the position of the man. No, that is not true feminism. Feminism does not tell you to stop being a wife or performing your wifely roles. That is not feminism. Feminism did not tell you, or is not telling you, to destroy your home with your own hands. That is not the spirit of feminism. Now, there are laws locally. There are also international laws that have provided for this very pursuit, which means it has been a burning desire in the hearts of nations, women, men of many countries that look. We have seen the position of women all over the world. We don't like it. They are relegated to the background while the men are in the mainstream of things. We want an inclusive system where women will be seen as partners in the process of decision making in politics. If they want to vie for positions, if they just want to vote, if they want to be voted for, we want equality. Let there be partnership. Shift a little bit and accommodate them. This feminism is not saying that men should give way for women to take over. No. Saying let there be teamwork. Don't think that this person is useless or this person is worthless because she is a woman. So there are lots of provisions. There has been lots of these declarations just to protect the rights and the freedoms that women have been given. Because when you look at the laws that have provided for the protection and freedom rights of women, you will see that people all over the world have looked at the lives of women and said that, look, before these women are talking about being women, they were first human beings. So women's rights are also human rights. Let us protect those rights so that they can achieve their cultural, civil, political, and economic potentials to the very fullest as human beings. So if you look at the teachings, and we are living in a time where there is so much knowledge out there. And this is the time the Bible talks about by saying that in later days, there will be what? Knowledge in abundance. And the way social media is doing it, especially the TikTok platform, one information is circulating almost in all the pages. So you can't, so long as you're going to TikTok, you cannot run away from it. And most of this information on marriage, on relationship, if you continue to listen to them, you will by yourself with your own hands destroy what you have built over the years. So you may tell yourself, you may lie to yourself that, look, I don't really take those things. But once you continue and continue and continue and continue and continue to dwell on those things, somehow, such teachings will be reflected in your attitude and in your behavior, even the words that come out of your mouth. So you must be very careful what information you digest from the social media. Feminism is not telling anybody, don't stop being somebody's wife. No. Feminism is not telling you, disrespect your husband. Feminism is not telling you, don't support your husband. Most women are just hiding under the cloak of feminism because they choose not to take responsibility as family wives. Being a mother, being a wife is tasking. It is what? Tasking. And a lot of women have not trained themselves for that position. Many women only prepare to wear the wedding gown, the wedding clothes, but they do not prepare themselves for being a mother and being a wife. It is tasking. Anybody that is telling that it's easy, person is lying to you. It is tasking. Because all these people who have pursued this feminism thing, most of them are still married. Most of them pursue this feminism movement right from their husbands' houses. Now, for those who come to court, that's one question that I ask myself sometimes. You come to court to dissolve your marriage. You say you cannot take it anymore. You are doing this. You are doing that. He is doing like this. He is doing like that. Now, the judge who is sitting to hear and determine that your matter is a woman like you. And she is still in her marriage, but she is the one that is going to dissolve your own marriage. Sometimes it's not easy for them. Sometimes, a lot of times, except in very exceptional cases where you see that no, this one no human being can take it. It's not easy for judges to dissolve marriages. It's not. It's a hard task for them to do. But when parties who are adults, who have independent wills, now come to court and say that we cannot, and this one begins to argue, defending themselves and bringing their best battle to the court, what will the judge do? The judge will dissolve the marriage. But what I want you to take home today is that feminism is not about taking over. Nobody is in a competition with anybody. It is about partnership. It's about recognition. It's about respect and seeing worth in each other. This is Xavier Law Essence. This is where we give you premium legal tips to help you make informed decisions, live informed life, and discover the best version of yourself. We'll see you again.